Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best rolling backpack for travel you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. In the past, I was one of those travelers who laughed at wheeled backpacks. My journeys were usually spontaneous, adventurous backpacking, so these seemed to be impractical for me. Honestly, I probably used to only do that kind of travel when I was younger. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5, Gonex Rolling Duffel Bag. It isn't really a wheeled backpack, but it will help you keep your heavy items secure while traveling. This is one of the best large rolling duffels on the market today, with its durable features and its capacity to hold a decent amount of weight. Considering how much you can haul in the Gonex, it's not the most practical piece of carry-on luggage, but if you care more about capacity, this is the perfect checked luggage. This wheeled duffel features multiple pockets and good organization, quiet wheels that can roll over rough terrain, and 2 compression belts that keep weight centered and condensed. In addition, the bag's bottom can be folded when it's not being used, making it easier to carry fewer items. You can also hide the handle in a top zippered pocket when carrying it as a duffel. In addition, its relatively affordable price point makes this rolling duffel a good buy, especially since it's made of durable materials. The front of the bag is made up of waterproof PVC fabric, while the zippers and wheels are robust. This heavy-duty bag is ideal if you need a large bag that can fit a lot of gear. Also available is a 50 liters version if you aren't quite ready to deal with 70 liters, you can find it here. I recommend the North Face Rolling Thunder as another excellent heavy-duty rolling duffel if you prefer a more well-known brand. On number 3, Think Tank Airport Takeoff 2.0. In the current market, Think Tank Airport Takeoff 2.0 is the best rolling camera bag for photographers looking for wheeled backpack luggage to transport their gear. A 400mm f/2.8 lens, 2 standard cameras, and a variety of other lenses and accessories can be carried in this wheeled backpack. The bag is the ideal way to keep your expensive camera equipment protected, secure, organized, and easily accessible. Not only is it great for photography gear, but it has 2 front pockets that can hold up to a 17-inch laptop and a 10-inch tablet. Plus, there's a plush pocket on the front for storing your phone and glasses. Additionally, there are side and pocket straps so you can carry a tripod on top of the bag, a comfortable shoulder harness with integrated backpack straps, and back panel padding for added comfort. A combination and cable lock come with the bag to secure zippers. White KKRC fuse zippers are waterproof and durable. Plus, the rain cover is seam sealed to keep everything dry. Ballistic nylon, high-density Velux, and closed cell foam make this backpack nearly impossible to stab. Although this is not the lightest wheeled backpack, it is one of the best backpacks you can buy for ensuring your expensive camera gear is protected and organized. The Amazon Basics convertible rolling camera backpack is a good alternative if the Think Tank backpack is out of your price range. On number 2, Targus Rolling Backpack. With its basic features, the Targus wheeled backpack is an inexpensive option for school, work, commuting, and occasional business trips. The bag's most notable feature is its large laptop pouch, which can hold up to a 17-inch laptop. Besides the tablet pocket, there aren't many other pockets to organize items inside the backpack. The backpack features elastic straps to compress clothes and keep them in place in case you use it to commute to work. You can also fit an extra outfit in the bag's back pocket. There are 2 mesh side pockets, including one zippered for additional security, in addition to the standard interior features. Padded backpack straps provide extra comfort, and they can be stored when not in use. It can also be worn as a backpack with the wheels hidden behind the Velcro cover. It's convenient to wear it as a backpack since the wheels are in a comfortable position when stowed away. Due to its simplicity, the bag isn't very comfortable for long periods of time if your load is a lot. This small backpack is carry-on friendly and can fit in most overhead bins if you need to use it for a short trip. Additionally, even though the materials used in this pack are somewhat cheap, which is unsurprising for the price, the pack is mostly waterproof and will do a good job of keeping your things dry. The best backpack with wheels under $100 is this one because it's versatile and suitable for school and the workplace. Someone looking for an inexpensive rolling backpack, and who just wants the basics, will love this Targus wheeled backpack. On number 1, Matein Wheeled Backpack. The Matein Wheeled Backpack's affordable price point excited me, so I was glad I found it. Whether you're heading to college or taking a business trip, this rolling backpack accommodates the needs of tech gadgets. You'll find a laptop pouch that fits up to 15.6 inches laptops and a large compartment that has a capacity of 36 liters for books, clothes, electronic devices, and more. In the smaller compartment, there are many pockets to help organize and make items easier to access. This pack is surprisingly durable for an affordable price. To prevent the bag from wearing out, it has a waterproof bottom panel, corner guards, lockable zippers, rubber wheels, and an adjustable, telescoping handle. You can store the backpack straps in the zippered pocket when it's not being used as a backpack. You can also tuck the handle into the top pocket when you aren't using it. Despite its lack of ergonomic design, this bag still has breathable and adjustable shoulder straps, so it can be worn comfortably for hours on end. The Matein Wheeled Backpack is a great choice for your college or work needs. You can find a bigger version of this bag that can hold up to 45 liters here, if you're looking for a larger bag. So guys, this was the video about the best rolling backpack for travel. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.